gima parono gi kanyo bende matin ibo bedo ka inyiso ni gin thuolo mag tije kaka magi wacho ni thuolo to ng'eny ahinya ahinya to mag tije ni rowere e yor lony manyasani kata e tich mitimo kaka gisani ibo bedo ka isumo paro mariek ne rowere weteni mar mondo mingis gine to gintiere magano kwadongi dak ang'wen kende to wadhi e yueyo kapok wadhi e yueyo Rigobert ebe dago mar mondo mingiswa ni to nitimo nang'o to ka fundi no se disappoint iba kori wacho ni an to kora dwa neno kaka ane makora loso gigi kenda sani wacho ni in bende kumichope ni pod in rawera ma pod isomo bende pod imako pok ijwang'o somo kalore ni jomoko nyalo wanyo fail ni dong kora mulo pesa ere tiende mar mondo miya som nyalo jwang'o somo kata kamano pok ijwang'o sombi pod idhi mbele kod somo to kambi ni bende pod idhi mbele yo machalo nade ni gere e yo machalo nade mochopo nyaka kuma koro inyalo bedo piny bio akana kora lungi ni CEO kalore ni ndiko ji tich
Ero kamano mokwongo adwa rekebisha gimoro ma Nelson owacho. Research na wacho ni over 1 billion youth are being released to the job market annually.
Yes.
Yeah, koro kama jini tie. Koro an bang ka fundi no se disappointed. Bose twang'i nanga. To nanga ni pani en mar nyathi matin.
Matin no ten.
Okinya ruake. To se chopo chieng' ma koro kiny tidhi e wuoth bieni koro onge karo kaka inyalose koro bang' ka fundi no se disappoint koro nawacho ni ginie adwa manyo kaka koro anyatime kendo an ng'at ma okwero disappointment yeah, in as much as some may occur but I usually try to avoid them in any way possible. Yeah, last week I disappointed some of my clients. Stima no lal for the whole week and no kanya tweng'o. So some clients thought that I scammed them. I was even arrested for that. But yeah, mago gik manyaka bede e biashara. Koro an kaka nachake na sawacho, but koro kaka ne nyeno disappointed na wacho nyati let me think of a way I can do this thing by myself. Then last year April I introduced my company called Rigobert. Koro I worked with some of my friends who some were my schoolmates, jomoko nwang'iri ang'eya godo. Koro kana tiuga kod gi then kaka ng'ato kaka Philip no okona ganyati marketing watim kama. And through his help nadonati I can reach as many people as possible. Nikech inyatimo business maber kabisa lakini we must also invest in marketing. Mano gima ji okiaga. In as much as itimo business, kama customers gi and marketing mitimo. But I'm glad in the fashion industry, kitongo ne ng'ato suit maber, kitongo ne ng'ato nanga maber kata dress, he or she will become your billboard. Samoro ng'ato nyitpinyet Joyce to nanga ni ondisore mae ni tongo kar kanye ni mae mato tongo Rigobert Song emotong na nanga ni. Koro that one has kept me going and manobe koro noyaw na yo kabisa. And kulingana gi funds manadwaro pesa. Jesu wakonyati youths have very brilliant business ideas lakini koro gima inyo ati
pesa michako
startup capital. Mane gima inyo kabisa. Makata sani koro an gima natimo I have friends. That one mano gima in a group of friends, ensure that 2 or 3 of your friends have high net worth than you, if possible.
Actually, better go see ma hookah.
Those weed. Koro, I talked to some of my friends like Philip, then he gave me a small loan. No, Nikech, he has been on and kaka timogini. Koro no penyati. How are you profiting from this thing? How are you benefiting from this thing? Koro nakunyati, okay, giniati mo kamai, and this is what I get from each and every sales matimo. Then he said, okay. Koro, he gave me a small startup capital and gave money anti godo because by April, Rigobert should be 1 year. Koro, all this time, pesa money ambe akuno, help na, ankata help na ni okachamga. Help na money nicho bido karakari 20,000 no room within 1 hour. Ade bali chiruka chata nyeo menagi kuma mathis kama make it tweng'o go kama ndaka help na no room. So kaka nomiya pesa no, I went and rented a shop in CBD Kachacha and bought some small things. I registered my company, and koro sanie I can say that I'm one step. I usually try to angibate muganiande okapia mgingato, lakini I must be better than who I was yesterday. And in business, consistency is the key. Anyata ko business, Millicent nyata ko business, lakini the person who will be successful is the person who is consistent. Kata ko business taweyo, koro ere gimoko nyagodo. Koro jomacha ko business, it's good, but you must be consistent in what you are doing. And perfection, kiwachnetu perfectly is impossible. Just do the right thing and the best thing that you can offer. Like sometimes you don't need some client be obito to you don't need niti gimoro matis, lakini you can correct that rather than living with the mistake. Koro, what I can advise my youth, my fellow youth, is that let us find something outside the classroom. Not everybody is going to be employed. Millicent is one of the people otimogi masomo. I know several of my friends makunanyati omeranto gimate money to
opogre gi gima noso.
My friend like GK Serikali is a very good friend of mine. Kane antiga kode dala nekitengela kutishono kwa nyati omera Rigo ine no an gima somo gima osemia gima like kongyo gima somo gima timo osemie pesa mang'eny maloyo gima nosomo. Koro let us equip ourselves with some other skills that can help us besides education.
Adwa ni mak parono gi kanyo kwa dogo bedo kingiswa ni kaka